Today we have this 2018 Honda Accord Earth Dreams 1.5 4-cylinder with the cylinder 4 misfire. It is not a consistent 100% of the time misfire. It does kind of come and go, and we're going to go ahead and diagnose this thing. I already removed the spark plug and the ignition coil on cylinder number 4, and I moved them independently one at a time from cylinder number 4 to cylinder number 2. First I removed the coil, the misfire did not follow. Then I went ahead and removed cylinder number 4 spark plug, inspected it, didn't see any cracks or problems with the porcelain, and I moved it on number 2 as well. Again, the misfire did not follow. Here's a snapshot of my scan tool data showing the cylinder 4 misfires. Got my leak down tester in cylinder number 4, and it looks to be good, so it's not a valve problem. To perform a cylinder leak down test, you use shop air, typically around 100 psi, but anything over 70, 80 psi will work fine. You put the cylinder on top dead center compression stroke, and as you can see in the gauge, it'll tell you the percentage that's leaking by. It's within specification, which indicates we don't have carbon deposits on the valves or a bent valve or burnt valve, anything of such. That cylinder is sealing properly. This vehicle is here for a couple other repairs, but at this time I'm only making the video for the cylinder 4 misfire. As you will see here in a moment, I will then look at the long-term and short-term field trims to help identify if it is an injector problem, which is very notorious on this engine, to the point where Honda did extend the factory warranty for 10 years or 150,000 miles on injector failure. Here I'm looking at the short-term and long-term fuel trims. It's taken out 14 to 15% on short-term. I'm gonna unplug cylinder 4 coil. Let's see what happens here. Our fuel trims go to 0. Thank you for following along. I really appreciate all the support. Everyone have a blessed day.